Hello guys, so how are you all? Hope you all are fine. In this video, I will cover the match preview of New Zealand versus Bangladesh first T20 match. So after completing the ODI series, two teams will face off the three match T20I series, which is 27 December to 31 December. Both team will aim to first win to first match of this year. The T20 series first game played between New Zealand and Bangladesh in McLean Park on Thursday. So in this video I will cover all the head-to-head stats, all the venue stats and pre-lineup team and possible playing 11 of both of teams. So first of all we will talk about the pitch and conditions. So this match is playing on McLean Park in Napier in New Zealand. If we talk about the pitch and conditions, so this is totally balanced pitch which will help to pacers and batters also. Its wicket favor the batsman to play in neutral shot to score lots of run in this venue. If you talk about the weather report is almost normal in this venue. And let's talk about total matches in this venue. Total 6 matches have been played in this venue, and which team is bowling first won 3 matches and which team is batting first won 2 matches in this venue. If you talk about the average score is 169 in this venue. Let's move ahead and talk about the head-to-head stats of both of teams. So total 15 matches have been played out New Zealand versus Bangladesh, where New Zealand won 14 matches and Bangladesh only won 3 matches in head-to-head comparison. So let's move ahead and talk about the possible playing 11 of both of teams. First of all, we will talk about the New Zealand possible playing 11, where Finn Allen and Tim Sabat will probably open the inning. Rachit Ravindra, who is the best all-rounder, will come on first down, and Darian Mitchell, Mark Chapman, Glenn Phillippe and Jamie Nissan will handle the middle order from the New Zealand. Mitchell Santner, Team Saudi, Jacob Duffy and Adam Milley will handling the bowling attack from the New Zealand. Let's move ahead and talk about the Bangladesh possible playing 11. First of all, Namjoon Hussain Santro and Litin Das will come on probably open the inning, and Soumya Sarkar will come on first down. David Hidoy, Roni Tadulkar, Afif Hussain and Mehendi Hassan Miraj will come handle the middle order from the Bangladesh. Mehendi Hassan and Mustafur Rahman, Soriful Islam and Hassan Mahmood will handling the bowling attack from the Bangladesh. Guys, this is a total probable possible playing 11 of both of teams. Let's move ahead and talk about the fantasy tips, which is most important for to create your fantasy teams. Let's looking by the pitch behavior, picking top order batsman will be crucial. Here you can pick the top order batsman, and also that over bowlers are excellent wicket taker in this venue. Or if you talk about the wicket keeping section, so wicket keeping section Litin Das is the best choice from wicket keeping section. You can also pick Team 7, but Litin Das is best choice from the wicket keeping section. And if you talk about the pitch is balanced pitch, both pacers and batters. This is pacers and both are supportive fields. Let's move ahead and talk about the Polysports pre-lineup fantasy teams. So guys, from the wicket keeping sections, I am picking Litin Das. From the batting sections, I am picking Najin Hussain Santro, Dalian Mitchell and Glenn Phillippe. From all-rounder sections, I am picking Mitchell Center, Rachit Ravindra, Mehendi Hassan Miraj and Soumya Sarkar is also great choice from the all-rounder sections. And in bowling sections, I am picking Team Saudi, Adam Milley, Mujibur Rahman and Soriful Islam. You can drop one bowlers and pick Soumya Sarkar to replace him. Guys, this is my pre-lineup teams, where my captain choice is Rachit Ravindra and vice captain choice is Darian Mitchell. You can also pick Mitchell Santner as a captain or vice captain, and Mehendi Hassan Miraj is the good choice for captain or vice captain. So guys, this is my pre-lineup team. After lineup, final team will post in my Telegram channels. So Telegram channel on description, so please join my Telegram channel. So guys, meet you in next video. Bye bye and take care.